Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can export a schedule from Revit to DWG or to Autocad. So if you want to export just the schedule and nothing else, like here you can see I have this schedule opened, you cannot actually do it from Revit like you would do it from, let's say, a floor plan or from this how to use this project, that you would go like file, export, CAD format, DWG, because the schedule as it is, you cannot actually do this. You can see that it is grayed out, so it's not possible. The only way to do this is to go and place it on a sheet. So me, when I'm working, I'm creating a new sheet, which will be just like for the schedules. So let's say, for example, this one, or I would even leave it empty. Let's say that we would delete this, and this sheet would be called, let's say, export schedules. And let's give it the number so it will be up in our list. So this is our export schedules sheet, and I would just place the schedules on this sheet. So for example, this one, building program, and if I need more, I would place more of these schedules on this sheet, and now I would export this sheet. So let's just do this. Export DWG. Next, I will leave the setting as it is. And now let's go and open this in Autocad. So now I am in the Autocad, and if I open this exported sheet, you can see that if I go to the model space, there is nothing in here. And the reason why is that Revit always exports everything that displays on the sheet into the paper space and not into model space. But let's say that, okay, this is in the paper space, but I want to have it in the model space, so I can send it to some consultant, to someone who is working with DWG files in AutoCAD. So how can I do this is, you would just select all of this and use the space command. You can see this one, space. And you can see now it is working, and it will automatically change the space from paper space to model space. So now if I will go to my model space, you can see that the schedule is here, copied into the model space. So this is the way how you can export from Revit to AutoCAD or to DWG files and to place it in the model space.